First exercise is the short foot exercise, where we're connecting our mind to the foot muscles and we're learning how to control our foot arch. And that really is the foundation of running. So what we want to do is just have your foot on a towel, and then you're going to think about drawing the foot arch up from the ground and then back down. What you want to make sure of is that the toes aren't clenching onto the floor like that. See how much I'm clenching? I want to keep the feet the toes nice and soft. And then you're just going to think about pulling the ball of your foot towards your heel like that. And even if you just get up a tiny bit, that's okay. And then you're going to hold that for 2 seconds and then back down. Where the breathing comes in is that I want you to inhale before you lift, and then you're going to exhale as you are lifting it up. So watch me. And then I'm going to hold for 2 seconds, and then I'm going to breathe back in. Now, obviously, I'm kind of in a weird position right now, so I can, talk to the camera and show you, but you can do this in the seated position or the standing position, whichever one is most comfortable for you.